In this lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS login block on our pages. If you want, you can use this login block on any pages you want. As you can see, I used this on my home page. So I want when my user will visit my home page, first they have to log in, and after that they will be able to access the content. So if they don't log in, they will not be access the content. So I used the login and register block together. So you can use any separate one. So how we can add this login block on our pages? First, we have to select a specific page where we want to show it. So first we have to click on this plus icon, then we have to search for LifterLMS login. Here we can see this LifterLMS login block. We have to add it. Here is the login block. You can add a specific redirect URL if you want. Also, you can choose the size, maybe it's columns or stacked. I choose as columns. Then I have to update it. And now when my student will visit my homepage, they will be able to see the login from like this. And when they will log in, they will be able to access the content.